Now you can see the box interior. Chen Li sweeper equipped a big fan. It can provide strong suction, so large bulk waste can be easily drawn into the trash. All parts are painted black. It looks neat appearance. Water tank capacity is 1,000 liters. Of course, it can be expanded within a certain range according to your power on. Power light is on. And then start the deputy engine. Put on the left front sweeper, front right sweeper, rear sweeper, and suction nozzle one by one. Open sweeper bottom. Open water pump. Spraying and defusting. Select sweeper mode. Stop working. Withdraw front and rear sweeper. Then start process of discharge garbage. First, open the trash door. Then lift the box to complete the garbage down. Finally, box comes down. Close the hopper door. Entire operation ended.